What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys a little grocery haul of Gianna's favorite things. So we've been giving her solids now for about a month or so. She's getting into actually eating 3 times a day, which is super exciting. So I wanted to share with you guys some of the foods that we've been purchasing from the grocery store for her. I might do a video on actually how I make the food. We're doing a mix between baby-led weaning and puree. So I could do a video on how I prepare the food for finger foods, and I could also add in how I make the different purees. I like mixing vegetables with fruits and proteins and whole grains. So I can always do that video for you guys. If you would like a video like that, please comment below. Other than that, let's just get right into this haul, you guys. I'm super excited to share some of these things with you and give you guys some ideas on what to feed your 8-month-old baby. So the first thing that we have is frozen peas and carrots. Now these come in handy. I just picked them up at Walmart just like this. I think they were like $2 for the pack. What I do is I go ahead and steam these down, and then I'll put them in the blender and puree them. Lately, I've been leaving the purees a little chunky so that she can kind of get used to starting to chew. She has 2 teeth already, and I see a few more coming in, so I'm trying to help her learn how to chew and all that. So eventually, I'll just be steaming them down and giving them to her in these little cute bite-sized little pieces that they already come in. Also got chicken. So as of this week, we've been giving her some sort of meats, protein, that type of thing. We gave her a little bit of peanut butter. I gave her some ground beef mixed in with these same peas and carrots, and she loved it. So now we're gonna try chicken. I can give her chunks to play with and eat on as far as finger foods, but then I'll take some of the chicken and puree it in with her peas and carrots and other vegetables and fruits and things like that. Oh, this one already has like some sea salt in it and chicken broth, so I may not have to add any salt to this one for her. Of course, for ours, we gonna fry it, dye it, salt it up, and all that unhealthy stuff, right? Another one of my favorite things I love getting from Walmart is the butternut squash. It's already taken out for you, so it saves so much time. I can steam this down. She can use this for finger foods, and then I can also puree some of it and make a meal with it. So I really like this. Getting the meat out of a butternut squash is actually like not that easy. So I love that pack. So I got a pack of that. And then we got a bunch of sweet potatoes. So the next food is avocados. This is like the best baby food in my opinion. It's fatty, it's healthy, it's easy, you don't have to cook it. You literally just wait till it's ripe enough. You can mash it if you want to, add some breast milk and make a puree, or you can just cut it into chunks and give baby the chunks and they can eat it themselves. So I love avocado. This was actually her first food. The next food is pretty much kind of similar in preparation, and that's bananas. Again, you can mash this with a spoon. You don't have to cook it down. You don't have to steam it down. It's already ready to go. The next food is one of her favorites, and it's another one of those foods where you don't have to do much to prepare it. Actually, you don't have to do anything at all, and that is celery. Of course, celery has no nutrients. It's basically like eating water, but it's great for teething, and it's also a great distraction. And I started giving her these instead of giving those little like rice biscuits. I don't know if you guys have seen that. They're called like teethers. I saw that the third or second ingredient was sugar, and I'm like, well, that's kind of defeating my whole purpose of giving her all these whole foods. Well, now I'm giving her the celery instead. Another thing that she's beginning to really love are broccoli florets. Just steam it, and it's ready in 5 to 10 minutes. I leave enough of the stalk on so she can grasp it and hold it. Another great food for baby-led weaning. Very low maintenance, not much you have to do to prepare it. So there's a lot of foods that you can kind of adjust as your baby grows and as you're experimenting with the whole baby-led weaning thing. You know, I thought I was going to do only baby-led weaning, but I feel better when she actually ingests a little bit more food and gets a little bit more nutrients into her. So we're doing a great mix of both. And then one of my favorite YouTubers, Emily Norris, you guys have to check out her channel if you're not already subscribed. She's great. I love her videos on baby-led weaning. She brought up a good point. She has 3 boys, so she's done this 3 separate times. And she said by the 3rd one, she learned that it's good to do a mix of baby-led weaning and purees, because you want to teach them how to eat with a spoon. Yes, it's great for them to grab the food themselves, feed themselves, get messy, learn about textures and flavors and all that, but it's also good for them to learn how to use a spoon and actually ingest more of the nutrients, because if you've started baby-led weaning, you know that 99% of the food ends up on the floor or all over them in their high chair. So I love doing a mix of both. We got some of these Earth Best little pouches. I don't do a whole lot of these. I like getting the pouches when it's something that's new for her, like she's never had blueberries before, so she can try them here first. If there's no reaction, if she likes it, then that's something that I'll start purchasing myself and incorporating into her diet. But this is a great way to try it. It's also great if she goes to the sitter or if we're out and about for a long periods of time and I need her to have a snack. Also got these Parents' Choice organic creamy ancient grains and pumpkin. And I don't know what the heck creamy ancient grains are, but it sounds great. I also got an organic grain medley. This has green beans, water, sweet potatoes, and red bell peppers. Very simple, straight to the point. These are all things that she's had already, so this is more so for like on the go. But I love these little pouches. I did see that there's like a machine or something that you can make your own pouches, so I might invest in that later once she's actually really, you know, taking on 3 full meals a day and eating's more of a priority for her. They're super cheap too. They're less than $1 a piece at Walmart, so it's fun to just pick out some new stuff for her to try. And the last thing that I got at the store for Gianna is natural peanut butter from Jif. Now we've been adding the tiniest bit of peanut butter into her morning oatmeal and she's loved it. For the longest, breakfast wasn't really her thing. I'd offer it for her every morning, but I was literally just throwing things away. A bit of peanut butter in her morning oatmeal, now she tears it up. I hope this video gave you guys some cool ideas on things that you can purchase for your baby. It's super simple. You do not have to do baby food in a jar, but if that's something that you choose to do, that's okay too. But it's super simple to make your own baby food. I hope this video helped. If you like baby-led weaning videos, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe so that you can see all of our other videos. We will also be working on a video showing you what Gianna eats in a day. So until the next one, see you later.